need to go down slide. Here.
Ready, set, go! Huh? No, it's not cold.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Go!
Sure?
Positive! I'm just cold now because of the wind.
I know. Ready?
Yeah.
Go down slide. I love you, Taylor.
I love you, Steph.
Here's Adam.
Here's Brayden's.
Here's Adam.
And little Pinky.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, ready? Put your hair up. As Stephanie gets ready, I just wanted to say hi.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. You look gorgeous as always. 1, 2, 3, go! Say hi!
I thought there was a floor there. I forgot, like on the side.
And there she goes, My Little Mermaid. Damn, look at that bikini model!